Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence prior to buying or selling any stocks, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get started. So this video is about Norwegian Cruise Line stock. So why did I buy it? Well, I bought it for $16 and change. That's an average cost over the last 3 weeks or so. The stock has been over $21 a share in the recent month or so, and that's a 21% drop in price. I believe, in my opinion, that the Norwegian Cruise Line stock can get back to that $21 range in the near-term future. So, first off, I believe that the bad news is already priced in, with the assumption that Norwegian Cruise Lines will be resuming operations by late fall. That is a realistic expectation, in my opinion, assuming no significant COVID setbacks occur. When I mean significant, I mean something out of the normal, because it's going to be expected that there's going to be some setbacks, maybe some fewer games played in the NFL, shortened weeks at school, increase in cases, but that's going to be expected. What's not expected is that schools will be completely closed, the NFL season will be completely shut down, restaurants will not fully open until late fall. That's what I'm talking about, okay? So the next thing is, there's really only 3 major cruise lines, and generally all 3 move up or down in the same direction. So in my opinion, the Norwegian Cruise Line stock is almost like a pseudo-monopoly. There's a huge barrier to entry. It's not like an individual can figure out a way to get billions of dollars to start a cruise line company this fall. It just doesn't happen that way. So unless you think that the cruise lines are going to all completely go out of business, it's safe to say that the cruise lines will recover at some point. Okay. Also, Norwegian Cruise Line has enough cash to last them through 2021 without resuming operations. That's why I didn't buy the other 2 cruise lines, and I stuck with Norwegian. Finally, many analysts are calling Norwegian Cruise Lines a hold. And when I see this, I generally think, you know what, it's time to buy it, because when the analysts start saying buy, usually by that time it's too late. The price is already spiked up. Let's talk about some catalysts, and the catalysts are really going to be the sports and schools, in my opinion, and the restaurants will follow. So the sports we're going to keep a close eye on. We're going to see if the games are being played, if players are getting COVID, if the schedules remain. Because right now, in my opinion, it's really teetering whether we're going to have a full season or not, if a season at all. So we need to keep a close eye on the NFL, college football, the NBA, baseball, and if they continue to progress, if games are starting to be played, more games, less players are getting sick, we should be in pretty good shape. So we have to keep a close eye on that. We're going to also keep a close eye on the positive cases. If it's accelerating, if the curve's flattening, this is all going to come back to Norwegian Cruise Line stock. All right. Vaccine news, obviously, we have to keep an eye on. In my opinion, we're just going to get more and more positive news about vaccines. There's so many companies out there developing vaccines that, in my opinion, it's just inevitable that we're going to get a vaccine sooner rather than later. At the very least, positive news. It might not be widely available, but the fact that it's gonna be widely available, or if it's confirmed that it's gonna be widely available, that news in itself will be enough to propel the cruise lines to move ahead. Okay. Most importantly, Carnival. I want to talk about Carnival. This video isn't about Carnival because I prefer Norwegian. However, Carnival has a scheduled cruise coming up in August in Germany, and we all need to pay very close attention to that. In my opinion, this is a critical test and will indicate which direction Norwegian Cruise Lines goes from here. Okay, and in summary, my final thoughts are, you have to remember Norwegian Cruise Line is like a floating combination of a restaurant, bar, school, and sports arena, all one big flotation device, okay? So we have to keep an eye on all those industries to see where we're going from here, all right? We need to keep on those industries and the Carnival cruise coming up in August. I believe that everything's going to be positive and continue to be positive with minor setbacks. And I think Norwegian Cruise Line at this price is a good starting point for a position. So in my opinion, I would probably put about maybe a third of my position in, say, this week. And then if the stock price drops, put in more to lower your cost basis. That's my advice. That's what I would probably do. However, please note I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. And I hope you like the video. Please feel free to put in comments below. I would love to see what you guys have to say, and I'll be more than happy to respond to your comments. Again, please hit the subscribe button and notifications to help out the channel. Again, I appreciate it, and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Please feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. I'll answer you as soon as I can. Thanks and have a great day.